Hello students. So today we will see few problems on allied angles. So here I have written 4 problems. We will solve one by one. So if I take first one, you are required to find value of. So first one, if I take, what you do first, individually you find the values of these functions. Separately you find the values, then substitute in given expression. So first if I take sine pi by 6, so you don't take square, while substituting will take a square. So directly you can write, else pi by 6 is 30, so this is nothing but sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Second, if I take cosec 7 pi by 6, cosec 7 pi by 6. So again you convert this into degree. Pi by 6 is 30. 30 into 7 is 210. So cosec 210. So if you see 210, it is near to 180. So 210 is written as 180 plus 30. So cosec 180 plus 30. Cosec 180 plus 30. So now 180 plus means it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant cosec is negative. We leave this 180. So you will have minus cosec 30. Minus cosec 30. So cosec 30 is 2. So this is minus 2. Minus 2. Similarly, third if I take cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3. So pi by 3 is 60. So this is cos 60. Cos 60 is again 1 by 2. Now substitute these values in given expression. So in this first expression you substitute. So given expression is equal to, so 2 into sine square pi by 6. So sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 plus minus 2 square. Then cos square pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So into 1 by 2 square. Now simplify, you will have the answer. So this is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 plus minus 2 square will be 4 into 1 by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 2 plus 4 gets cancelled, you will have 1. Take the LCM, you will have answer 3 by 2. So answer is 3 by 2. Clear students? So you can note down the steps. Similarly, if we go for second one, second also first separately we will find the values, then we will substitute. So second if I take, second one, second, first he has given sine square 3 pi by 4. So if I take this one, so sine 3 pi by 4, sine 3 pi by 4. First you convert this into degree, so you will have sine 135. You will have sine 135. Pi by 4 is 45. 45 into 3. So 45 into 3 will get 135. So 135 is near to 180. So we write this as sine 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45. So 180 minus is in second quadrant. So in second quadrant sine is positive. So you will have plus sine 45, that is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So sine 3 pi by 4. Now if I take cos pi by 4, cos pi by 4. This is nothing but cos 45. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Next, secant pi by 3. So, secant pi by 3. So, secant pi by 3 is 60 degree. So, secant 60. Secant reciprocal is cos. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So, secant 60 is 2. Now, all the three values I will substitute in given expression. I will substitute in this second expression. So, given expression is equal to 2 into sin square 3 pi by 4. So, sin square 3 pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2 square, plus 2 cos square pi by 4. 2 cos square pi by 4, 1 by root 2 bracket square, plus 2 into secant square, that is 2 square. Secant square 60 or pi by 3. Now, in 2 steps you simplify this, students, you will have the answer. So, this is equal to 2. 1 by root 2 square is again 1 by 2, plus 2, 1 by 2, plus 2 square 4, 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 2 is 8. Now, simplify, you will have the answer. So, if you simplify, so 2 gets cancelled, 1 plus 8. So, answer is 10. You will have answer 10. Clear, students? Again, you can solve the problem. Next, we will go for the third one. Third, if I take. Third one. So, again individually we will find the values of these 4 terms, then substitute. So, third, tan 315, don't take square. Now, I had told that if angle is greater than 300, less than 360, it is near to 360. So, this can be written as 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45. So, 360 minus means it is in 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, tan is negative. So, you will have minus tan 45. Now, substitute tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So, I have found first value. Next, cot minus 405. Cot minus 405. Don't take square. Now, first you are required to solve minus sign. So, in cos and secant, if minus is there, that is neglected or it goes. So, cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. So, this is minus cot 405. If you don't remember, students, you can go through my previous videos where I have explained this and solved problems on this also. So, cot 405. Now, 405 is greater than 360. So, I can write it as minus cot 360 plus 45. 360 plus 45. So, again n into 360 we leave this term. Only remains is 45. So, this is equal to minus cot 45. Cot 45 is 1. So, again this answer is minus 1. This is minus 1. So, third, if I take cot 495. So, cot 495. So, now if you observe here, this 495 is also greater than 360. So, we write it as n into 360 plus theta. So, cot 360 plus 135. 360 plus 135. Now, n into 360 we leave this, remains is only 135. So this is equal to cot 135. So again if you see 135 is near to 180. So 135 is written as 180 minus 45. So you'll have cot 180 minus 45. Cot 180 minus 45. So 180 minus means it is in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cot is negative. So this is minus cot 45 and cot 45 is 1. So this is minus 1. Minus 1. Now fourth, if I take tan minus 585. Tan minus 585. So now again here minus sign is there. So first we are required to solve this minus. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So minus tan 585. Minus tan 585. So this 585 is again greater than 360. So this we write it as minus tan 360 plus. So how much it is greater you can find. Use calculator, I'll subtract this 360 from 585. So you'll have 5 to 225. So you'll get 225. So tan 360 plus 225. Now again neglect this 360. You will have minus tan 225. Minus tan 225. So now if you observe 225 is near to 180. So 225 is written as 180 plus 45. So you will have minus tan 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45. So 180 plus means it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive. In third quadrant tan is positive. So you will have tan 45. This minus sign remains as it is. So you will have tan 45. 180 plus is in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive. So you will have tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So this will be minus 1. Minus 1. So now we have found all the values. Now I will substitute in this expression. So I will take over here. So if I substitute the values. So if I substitute in given expression. So given expression is equal to tan square 315. Tan 315 is minus 1. So I will have minus 1 square. Cot square minus 405. Cot minus 405 is minus 1. So square is there. Minus 1 square plus cot 495. Cot 495 is minus 1. Tan minus 585. Tan minus 585 is also minus 1. Now simplify this, you will have the answer. So minus 1 square 1. So this is also 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 is again plus 1. So this is 1 plus 1. So if you add 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer you are getting is 2. Clear students? So you can pause and note down the steps. Then we will go for the last one to find the value of x. So now if I take fourth one. So again first individually you find the values and substitute in the given expression. So first sine 300. So if I take sine 300. So sine 300 is near to 360. So I can write it as 360 minus 60. So it is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. So I will have minus sine 60. Minus sine 60. That is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2. Second, if I take secant 240. So secant 240. So 240 is near to 180. So I will write it as 180 plus 60. So 180 plus means it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, secant is negative. So you'll have minus secant 60. So secant 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So secant 60 is 2. So this is minus 2. Minus 2. Next, third, if I take cos 225. Cos 225. So 225 is again near to 180. So I can write cos 180 plus 45. Again this is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative. So you will have minus cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So you will have minus 1 by root 2. Next, if I take cosec 240. So cosec 240. Again this is also near to 180. So if I take cosec 180 plus 60. Cosec 180 plus 60. So this is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cosec is negative. So minus cosec 60. So cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sine 60. So you'll have minus 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Cot 315. Cot 315. So this is near to 300. So cot 360 minus 45. 360 minus 45. So 360 minus means it is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cot is negative. So you will have minus cot 45. So cot 45 is 1. So answer you will have minus 1. Next, tan 300. Tan 300. So tan 300, it is near to 360. So I can write this as tan 360 minus 60. 360 minus 60. So 360 minus means it is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. So minus tan 60. So this is equal to minus root 3. Minus root 3. So now substitute all the values in this given expression. So if I take given expression, so I will substitute all the values in given expression. So x into sine square 300. So minus root 3 by 2 square. Secant square 240 minus 2 square divided by cos square 225. So cos 225 is minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 square. Cosec 240. Cosec 240 minus 2 by root 3 square is equal to cot 315. Cot 315 is minus 1. So cot square minus 1 square. Tan square 300 minus root 3 square. Now you simplify this, you will have the answer. So now if I simplify this expression, so x root 3 by 2 square means you will have 3 by 4 minus becomes plus, minus 2 square you will have 4 divided by 1 by root 2 square minus becomes plus 1 by 2. If you square this you will have 4 by 3 is equal to minus 1 square you will have 1 minus root 3 square you will have 3. Now if I simplify, so this 4 gets cancelled, so what remains? 3x divided by, this gets cancelled, you will have 2 by 3 is equal to 3. So this 3 goes to the numerator, then you will have 9x by 2, else this 3 gets cancelled, I will take 3 to the numerator, 3x by 2 is equal to 1, is equal to 1. So this 3 gets cancelled, you will have 1. So this 3 goes to the numerator, 3x by 2. So if I cross multiply, I will get x is equal to 2 by 3. So answer is x equal to 2 by 3. Clear students? You can pause and solve the problem. So now students, so we'll see last section in this allied angles. So if angle is given as 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta, you might have observed that throughout these allied angles, I have never used 90 and 270 because there is more chance of doing mistakes while using this. So now, if 90 and 270 are there, so you can remember this hint. So if I take quadrants, 90 plus means it will come in second quadrant. So in second quadrant, if it is in this form, sine of 90 plus theta, sine 90 plus theta, in second quadrant sine is positive, so you will have cos theta. So sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, it's reciprocal. Cosec 90 plus theta will be equal to secant theta. Cosec 90 plus theta will be equal to secant theta. While all other functions will be negative. Now for example, cos 90 plus theta. So here 90 is there, cos gets converted to sine. So 90 plus it is in second, except these two all are negative, so this will be minus sine theta. Now for example, if it is tan 90 plus theta, so second quadrant tan is negative, but 90 is there, so tan gets converted to cot, so minus cot theta. Similarly, you take any term, you will be having minus other than these two. If you take first quadrant, in first quadrant all will be positive. In even 10th standard you have studied. So suppose if it is sine 90 minus theta, first quadrant, so it is plus cos theta. If it is tan 90 minus theta, it is cot theta. Even if you take cos 90 minus theta, it will be secant theta, sine theta. So minus means it will come in first quadrant and all the functions will be positive. So all functions will be positive over here. Similarly, if you take here you will have negative other than tan and cot. But generally you will not get confused over here. So mainly again you will get confused in the fourth quadrant. So if it is in fourth, sine 270 plus theta. Sine 270 plus theta. So in fourth quadrant sine is negative, so this will be minus cos theta, minus cos theta. Or you can remember in this form, or you can remember it in this form. So if it is cos 270 plus theta, it will be plus sine theta. 270 is there, cos will be sine. So similarly it's reciprocal, secant 270 plus theta, it will be cosec theta. So these you remember it as a formula, hint, and in all others just you can remember the rule which I had told earlier. So if 90 and 270 is there, the term changes. Now few examples I will take. So first if I take for example tan 270 minus theta is there. Tan 270 minus theta. So 270 minus means it will be in third quadrant. So this is 0 degree. Here you will have 90 degree. Here 180 degree. Here 270. Again if you come here you will have 360. So 270 minus means in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive, so it will be plus. As 270 is there, tan gets converted to cot theta. So tan 270 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. Clear students? Similarly, you can take anyone. Angles values you don't take. For example, 330, 315. That you solve as I have told, either taking 180 or 360. Now if I take for example cos 270 minus theta. So again this is in third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative. So this becomes minus. As 270 is there, this cos gets converted to sine. So you will have minus sine theta. So similarly you can solve few problems. So I will take a problem. First one, simplify. First one if I take. So cos 270 plus theta, cos 90 minus theta minus sine 270 minus theta into sine 90 plus theta. So now see here, if I simplify this, if I take simplification, 270 plus means it is in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant cos is positive. So you will have plus, cos gets converted to sine. So you will have plus sine theta. Cos 270 plus theta is plus sine theta. Second, cos 90 minus means it is in first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. So again 90 is there, means it gets converted to sine. So you will have plus sine theta. Minus 270 minus means it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant sine is negative. So you will have minus 270 is there. So sine gets converted to cos. So minus cos theta. Sine 90 plus means it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant sine 90 plus theta means cos theta. So you will have this as plus cos theta. So this is equal to, so sine, if you multiply these two, you will have sine square theta. Similarly, if you multiply these two, so cos minus cos square. So again this minus is there, so you'll have plus cos square theta. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 is the answer. Clear, students? Similarly, another example I will take, second one. So secant 180 plus theta, secant 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta, cosec 90 plus theta divided by secant of minus theta into cot 90 plus theta. Cot 90 plus theta. So now you simplify. 180 plus means it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant secant is negative. 180 is there means it remains secant as it is. It does not change to cosec. So secant 180 plus theta is minus secant theta. Tan 180 plus theta. Tan 180 plus is also in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive. 180 is there means it remains as it is. So that will be plus tan theta. Cosec 90 plus means in second quadrant. In second quadrant cosec 90 plus theta will be secant theta, plus it will be, so plus secant theta divided by secant of minus theta. Cos of minus theta and secant of minus theta will be positive, means minus sign goes. So secant of minus theta is secant theta. Cot 90 plus theta. 90 plus means again it is in second quadrant. In second quadrant cot is negative, so this will be minus. So cot gets converted to tan, so minus tan theta. So now simplify, you will get the answer. So this secant gets cancelled, tan gets cancelled, minus gets cancelled. So answer is secant theta. So answer is secant theta. Clear, students? So this is about allied angles, which is very important for even first year and for the second year also. So be perfect in this section, that is allied angles.